Are LG refrigerators good quality?
Let's just say LG should stand for let's go.
Like let's go to the store?
More like let it go from the movie Frozen.
LG fridges are made by Samsung, one of the top appliance makers in the world.
They make good stereos and TVs. The LED panels in their fridges keep burning out, and in some cases the walls and ceiling of the fridge.
So much for keeping the food cold.
In a few cases, it actually set the food on fire. And fridges by definition are not supposed to cook the food.
LG tends to get good ratings from Consumer Reports.
I wouldn't consider a high D, a 65 or so, a high score.
It is hard to get an A from them.
Then buy a fridge that is at least a C.
What are the major problems, aside from the LED thing?
They tend to break down often. If you hit the warranty deadline, all support stops.
Their fridges seem to have space for everything, and plenty of organizational niches built in. And their fridges have a reputation for being quiet.
The evaporator fan whines as much as your kid's waiting for dinner to be ready.
What can I do?
In theory, getting a fridge with a freezer on top and without an ice maker will reduce the headaches. In reality, getting a more reliable fridge is better.
Like Maytag.
You're kidding, right? Maytag's reliability is worse than LG's.
You should talk to customer service about all these problems.
LG refuses to admit the problem with the LED lights getting so hot it melts and burns stuff. Their customer service for almost everything else is lousy, though they are happy to sell you an extended warranty.
Several repairs cost as much as a new fridge.
Save the money and get a fridge that will last 10 years.